Fair use is the right to use materials that fall outside commercially licensed products or extend reasonably beyond the bounds of guidelines. The Copyright Act establishes a four-factor test in order to determine whether or not a use of copyrighted work is of fair use that does not require permission of the copyright owner. There are four specific guidelines. The first guideline is the purpose of the use. Materials should be used in class only for the purpose of serving the needs of specified educational programs. Students should not be charged a fee specifically or directly for the materials. The second guideline is the nature of the work. Only those portions of the work relevant to the educational objectives of the course should be used in the classroom. Instructors should not distribute copies of consumable materials such as test forms and web and workbook pages that are meant to be used and purchased. The third guideline is the amount of work. Materials used in the classroom will generally be limited to brief works or brief excerpts from longer works. The amount of work used should be related directly to the educational objectives of the course. And the last guideline is the effect of the use on the market for the original. The instructor should consider whether the copying harms the market or sale of the copyrighted material. The instructor should also consider whether materials are reasonably available and affordable for students to purchase. And those are the four guidelines